Okay, what we're gonna do today, we worked on it a little bit yesterday, had to grind this one down. Trying to get it even with these other ones. These are drag backs for your board, but right now, if you drag a slab or a board back, it goes one way or the other. And you can look right here and see, but this thing here ain't even nowhere near the same size as these here. But there is tight. You gotta watch so you don't strip these out. If you strip them out, and you gotta sit here and do this on the machine. And oh my goodness.
Is that one done?
That one there done.
So are we pretty close now?
Mm-hmm. This is.
What are you gonna do now?
I'm gonna grind these down even right here. That way when they hit the board, when they're dragging back, they'll all be even.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
And clean it up. I just wonder if I were to cut a notch, or when it hits, it'll slide up against that, or just leave it. Probably leave that corner on. If I need it cut up there at an angle, I can do it up there later. Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
So let me get back.
Okay. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I got you. Let's go through here. Give me another one, number 2. Don't drop that on my toe. I will squeal on that. There's 2, 3, 3, 4.
You gotta hold that.
That's good to me. I need the other thing back there.
They're already laying.
Give me the screwdriver. They look better, don't they?
Yeah, they do.
These little kick-up bars, they were way down here. I cut them off and moved them up here to where when that board comes off the end, it'll kick up and hit these. It can't go up any higher. Then when it settles back down, it'll set on these little stops here that I've got, and I can drag it on back to me and stop and take off, and it'll drop them right back here where you need it. Which I've got them all even now. I ground the back side of them, squared them where they was all even, and all the front sides ground squared and even. There we go.